Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys, that's right, how to make a Jimmy Dean's blueberry sausage corn dog. Okay? Now, this is the Jimmy Dean's sausages right here. And they're kind of small, so I'm about to double up on those. Right here I have a cup of milk, I have some vanilla, and I have some blueberries right here. And back here I have some butter. This is like 3 tablespoons of butter. I have some oil. This is for us to fry the pancake sausage. Alright, let me move this out the way, this out the way, and this out the way. Here's my glass I'm going to use to pour my mixture in. Alright, I have some sticks over here. I have some skewers. What I did, I just took some shears and cut them in half. That's all I did, okay? Alright, that's that. I have 2 cups of flour right here. I have a teaspoon.
It looks like your Wi-Fi name or password has changed. To update your Wi-Fi information, go to the Alexa app.
I have a teaspoon baking powder. I have a half a teaspoon of cornstarch. I have 2 cups of flour, all purpose, and I have a 1/4 cup of sugar right here. I'm just going to pour that in here. I have 2 eggs right here as well. I'm just going to incorporate this real quick. And I may be putting a little cinnamon in it. I don't know yet. I'm going to see how it tastes. Alright. So we're going to come in here with 2 eggs. Just like so. You want this batter kind of thick. That's what we're looking for. Pour our milk in here. So let's see how much that going to do. Okay. Now we're going to pour our butter in here, just like so. Okay, we're going to come in here with a teaspoon of our vanilla extract. This is by Watkins. If you want your stuff to taste real good, use some Watkins. So you're going to stir this till it's nice and smooth, all the lumps is out and all that stuff. About that thick. We're going to take our glass. We're going to pour it in here. Before I pour it in there, I did messed up. Forgot the blueberry, did we? Now you gonna put the blueberries in there. So let me give me like some of these blueberries. Probably go with like a 1/4 cup of this. So like so. Alright, we're going to go ahead and pour it up in here. I'm going to set that to the side. The pancake batter tastes good. We're going to get our meat out. See how small those is? We're going to have to double up on those guys. So I'll see you guys in a minute. I'm going to take these out the package and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Now I already made up some of these already. Alright, I'm going to show you what I did. I just took these sausage links and I stuck them straight down the middle. Nice and easy and gentle. And screwed it all the way down like that. And I took another one, did the same thing, that's all. That's it. And there you go. Alright, I'm going to show you guys one more. Like that. Alright, now all I'm going to do is just dip this in there and we'll throw it in the pot. So I'll see you guys over there in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Here's that. I did have to crush up my blueberries because they was too big to fit. I had to do it like this. I did made one just to test it out. It turned out pretty decent. So, drop that in there. So here's the other one, the blueberry one. It turned out too bad. Alright. You just want to flip them. I got my eye on like medium. So it takes about 2 to 3 minutes. At this point right now, I'm just showing you guys, dropping one. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cook up the rest of them, guys, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm finally done with this Jimmy Dean breakfast blueberry pancake and sausage corn dog. Okay, I'm gonna show you that. It came out a little darker than I wanted because I had to mix the blueberry up. See if you guys can see that. I had to mix the blueberry up in a batter, so it didn't turn out quite the way I wanted, but it do taste pretty good. So my suggestion is to mix yours up first and then put it in the batter. Okay, that would be my suggestion. But guys, like I say, if you like this video, please give me a like and a share, and please subscribe to the channel, and please don't forget to hit this bell just like so. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. Much love.